Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you this amazing hair mask. All we need is 3 okra, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, few drops of rosemary oil, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, and water. So let's get started. Firstly, wash the okra thoroughly and chop it into small pieces. Okra is not only a nutritious vegetable, but also a fantastic ingredient for hair care. Its high vitamin A content and other nutrients make it an excellent choice for moisturizing and revitalizing hair. Now, place the chopped okra in a pot. Add enough water to cover the ingredients. And the same thing for flaxseed, about 2 cups. Boil until you get this texture. Allow the boiled mixtures to cool down. Now, strain the gel. Keep flaxseed and okra. Don't throw away what's left. We need it later. And mix together flaxseed gel and okra gel and add oils. Blend with a blender until you get a smooth paste. Now, how to use. Section your hair and apply the mask from roots to tips. Massage the mask into your scalp for a few minutes. And cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the mask on for about 1 to 2 hours. Rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water. You can shampoo and condition your hair as usual. For best results, use this hair mask once a week. This mask will make your hair soft and reducing dandruff, soothing irritation and improving circulation, which can stimulate hair growth, leaving your hair look healthier and more vibrant. You will see the results from the first use. Just try it every week, and you will get an amazing result. Now, let's make a scrub for face or body with this. Mix flaxseed and okra well with a blender or food processor. Add sugar. Wash your skin with warm water to open pores and apply this scrub. Massage your skin for about 3 minutes and leave it for about 10 minutes. Wash your face with cold water and moisturize your skin with your favorite moisturizer. And that's it, so easy and simple. This mask hydrates and nourishes your skin, leaving it soft and supple. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.